Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look right here, and this is like a very simple nude makeup look for college and office purpose. I really like the way this turned out. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon that's right next to it. So yeah, let's get started. So to moisturize my face, I'm going to use this Pond's Light moisturizer. No matter what's your skin type, I think everyone should, moisturize. Dry skin, oily skin, combination, whatever it is, we should moisturize. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. This makeup look is going to be very simple for work and college, or nowadays even for Zoom meeting you can do this makeup look. It's not necessary that you have to do all the steps that I'm doing in here. You can like customize this makeup routine to your own in your own way. To prime my face, I'm going to use this Master Prime primer by Maybelline. I think every time we apply makeup, like we should use a primer. It becomes a barrier between your skin and the makeup. So even this moisturizer works really nice as a primer. I just feel like priming my face with a primer. I prime my face every time I do my makeup. So now for my foundation, I'm going to use this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation stick. This is in the shade Natural Buff. This is not a full coverage foundation, and also it's a stick, so it will be very handy while in the morning while getting ready. Idea over here is our skin still look like a skin, but overall it's put together, Now for concealer, I will be going in with two concealer right here, but you can just go with this concealer. If you do not have this major dark circles, then you can just go with this concealer. This is Elegant Pro Conceal. To conceal my dark circles, I will be going in with this, and then to highlight, I will be going in with this Fit Me concealer. So in this everyday makeup look or work makeup look, I think less is more. So you always go with less amount of product, and then if needed, we can build up. Also with this concealer, I'm gonna conceal all the spots that I have on my face. Nobody's skin is perfect. It's okay, and it should not be perfect. I think our imperfections make our skin and us look perfect. Now I'm just going to blend this concealer in. You guys see like how less product I'm using. I'm not going in with too much of product because I just want my skin to look like skin, but also like put together. Okay, to set my concealer and also to set my face, I'm going to use this loose powder by Fit Me, and this is in the shade light medium. Because I'm oily skin, I think I need a loose powder all over my face, a compact powder or a loose powder, but I prefer loose powder over compact powder, so that my makeup lasts longer, and then my makeup does not transfer if I'm sweating or anything. I'm not going to bake. Ain't nobody have time to bake in the morning, like bake your eyes in the morning. Under eyes, like to bake your under eyes in the morning. Take whatever is there in here. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face just to set my face, because I'm oily skin and the climate in here, you guys know the climate, the Mumbai climate. Office makeup look, I love to load up on my blush, and I also like to go in with bronzer because you guys can see the facial fat I have. The bronzer I'm going to use today is L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. This is just to give like a sun-kissed sort of a look, a very healthy sun-kissed skin that you have. Also going to apply this onto my forehead. If you do not have this big forehead like the way I do, then you can completely skip this step. So basically it's like doing what you think you need. Like if you do not have this big forehead, you can completely skip. If you do not have like if you think you do not need a bronzer, you can skip and make your own customized makeup routine. But now see, my skin looks so healthy and like really sun-kissed. So you see the difference the bronzer has made. Like it's this easy. For blush, now I really love to load up on my blush. So I'm going to use this Fit Me blush, this shade Deep Wine. I love to load up on blush. It's like my cheeks are like, you know, blushing. I'm blushing from within, and I've been under the sun for hours and hours, and I have such beautiful cheeks, and my skin has been really sun-kissed. Okay, I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm just gonna draw like 2 lines in here, like here, and that's it. I think brows is really important because it kind of like gives shape to your face. Now for eyes, so today I'm going to use the Nudes palette, the good old palette. I think everybody owned this palette, so I'm going to go in with this shade in here. This is the brown shade. I'm just going to apply this shade onto my crease. You can also go in with your bronzer if you want, just to give dimension to your eyes. That's it. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply this onto my eyelid, like half of my eyelid. Also going in my inner corners with this shade, just so my eye looks a little bit, you know, open. Okay, I'm just going to go in with this white coal. This is by Wet n Wild, just so my eye look a little open, you know. So I'm going to apply this onto my lower waterline. So for mascara, I'm going to use this NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and I'm going to load up with my mascara just so my eyes look open. So the lipstick I'm going to use today is Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Madras Kapi. This is a really nude, brown nude shade which will go in with this nude makeup look that I've done. So for setting spray, like for all the mehnat that we've done, we do not need this mehnat to go away, and we need this mehnat to be there like this. So for that I'm going to use this Maybelline Lasting Fix makeup setting spray, and I'm going to spread this all over my face, and we're done. This is the final look. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. I love you guys. Bye.